So today I want to talk about an MCC. And even if you've heard of an MCC before, there's still a good chance that you're relatively unfamiliar with it or may have more questions about it. An MCC, or Mortgage Credit Certificate, is a program designed to help people save money every year that they live in their home. So how does an MCC work? Well, the MCC program allows the homeowner to claim up to 20% of their paid mortgage interest each year they live in their home as a federal tax credit. So you get a dollar for dollar reduction of income tax liability equal to 20% of the paid mortgage interest for that tax year. So who's an MCC for? Well, it can be used by first-time home buyers purchasing a home, non-first-time home buyers who are purchasing in a targeted area of Colorado, and eligible veterans who are purchasing in a non-targeted or targeted area of Colorado. So what's the catch, right? Why doesn't everybody have an MCC? Well, for properties not in a targeted area of Colorado, there is a $500 fee to apply to the program. And another reason is that the borrower can be subject to a federal recapture tax. Now, the recapture tax only comes into play if all of the following three conditions exist. Now, if the property is sold in the first 9 years of ownership, if the property is sold for a gain, and if the household exceeds the limit of income set forth by their county in the year the property is sold. CHFA, which stands for Colorado Housing and Finance Authority, is currently the most common option for obtaining an MCC. It can be combined with some of the CHFA loan programs, including the Home Opener and Home Opener Plus loan programs, but it can also be used with other purchase mortgages as well. For example, conventional, FHA, VA, and even some ARMs can all have an MCC attached to them. In order to qualify for the CHFA MCC, a borrower must meet certain criteria as far as income and purchase price limits based on their county and their area. The city of Denver also has an MCC program, but it's currently unavailable. And the latest that we've heard that should be coming back online sometime in April of 2012. So in summary, an MCC is an interesting and relatively unknown enhancement to a loan program, and it's meant to incentivize home ownership in Colorado to borrowers who meet the income and purchase price criteria. So if you have any further questions about what an MCC is or how it works, feel free to contact Mark or I, and we'd be happy to help.